Week 6 examines experiential and workplace learning through the lens of adult development, professional identity, and knowledge application. In adult education, learning is not merely the accumulation of information. It is the socially situated process through which individuals construct meaning, refine practice, and participate more fully in professional communities. The framework of education, which emphasizes equity, relevance, and the connection between theory, practice, and community impact. Situated learning argues that cognition is inseparable from context. Adults learn most effectively when knowledge is embedded in authentic activity, tools, language, and relationships. Rather than treating learning as abstract and isolated, this perspective highlights participation in real tasks. Communities of practice extend this idea by showing how novices move toward full participation through observation, dialogue, shared problem-solving, and legitimate peripheral participation. In a visual model, one might imagine a learner entering a professional circle, first observing, then contributing, and eventually shaping the collective work. Apprenticeship models formalize this progression. Historically rooted in skilled trades, they now inform education, healthcare, business, and public service. An effective apprenticeship includes modeling, guided practice, feedback, and increasing responsibility. The expert does not simply tell, the expert makes thinking visible. This is essential in adult learning because adults bring prior experience, yet still require structured opportunities to refine judgment, adapt expertise, and internalize standards of practice. Learning transfer is central to professional settings. Adults may perform well in training, but struggle to apply knowledge in dynamic environments. Transfer improves when learning is anchored in authentic problems, reinforced through reflection, and supported by organizational culture. Key variables include relevance, repetition, feedback, and alignment between learning tasks and workplace demands. Transfer is not automatic. It is designed. The most effective programs help learners connect conceptual understanding to decision-making, communication, and performance under real constraints. Workplace learning is therefore both individual and collective. It occurs through formal training, mentoring, collaborative inquiry, and informal interactions that shape competence over time. From an adult learning perspective, the workplace becomes a living curriculum. When organizations value inquiry, psychological safety, and continuous improvement, they create conditions where learning is sustained and applied. In this way, experiential and workplace learning advance not only productivity, but also professional agency, reflective practice, and lifelong development.